Alright, good morning. I'm back for another day of working on Pro Gymnast. I am Wallaber. My game is an action acrobatics physics-based simulation-y thing. It's Saturday, which means I don't have a hard 1 hour limit, so that's nice. Main thing is I wanted to make some progress on levels, I think, today. I do have some other like devy things I could do as well, code things and whatnot, but first off, I think let's work on some levels. So right, where we left off was here. I had made some fixes to the very first tutorial, the one that teaches you how to release the bar. So we want to focus on still kind of the early levels, I think, do some cleanup. So let's go here to the game scene. Alright. And let's take a look at that. Okay, so the level I was working on, that's the very first level in the game, is tutorial release, which is just teaching you that you can let go of the bar with the shoulder button. And I had fixed it up here, so now you kind of have a wide view, you can see the whole thing, and I fixed the issues with the mat getting a little funky on the first frame, and so this should be pretty good now. There's probably a scenario here where if I time it just right, I can bounce and like hit the mat from underneath, but I'm not too worried about that. Okay. Okay, so here's already one thing I've forgotten I needed to do, which we should just get done. And that is this. So this is a tutorial level. And actually, if we let's go like this and exit out and play it through the normal game flow, not from the level editor. So if we're here, the normal game flow, you can see here that some of these levels are marked with an NA for things like best time and best score, and they have like a little light sort of cross out area for medals related to getting the best time score and the chalk found. Because those are tutorial levels, they don't have all those elements. But right now, I still show the level complete screen as though those things exist. See, so I'm giving you like an award for beating the final time or the final score or the chalk, which none of those things exist. So I need a different layout for this screen. The other thing I'm realizing is that I'm not showing you here that you're earning a medal just for completing the level. So what I could do is I have these three things across here. I could add the fourth one that just says level complete with a medal. And then into tutorial mode, I'll hide these other three, so level complete is just centered, right? That feels like probably the right thing to do. So let's go look at this. This is the level complete UI screen here. Okay, and I believe, yeah, inside challenge results, yeah, I've got this set up as a grid layout, middle center, cool. It's got a slot for time, score, and chalk. So if I want to just add one more, right, it would normally be on the left here, and this is going to be just for level complete. And now I'm pushing it on the size here. So these things are going to have to be more narrow. Like, how narrow? Let's see. Oh, and I have this going off the edges of the screen a little bit so that the bevels, these little bevels here don't show, but I don't have to go that far. Let's go negative 12 maybe? Okay. That'll just help me place it a little easier. Okay, now still, yeah, these all fit now. Okay. So the level complete one would have a title, would not have a value, would not have a requirement, but would have a medal. Now layout wise, yeah. Do I want all the medals like vertically aligned? That gives me a lot of empty space over here. I mean, yeah, because, you know, this header is going to say something like level complete. Yeah. We don't really have any other content to fill the space here where these other ones have something to show, like what your time was, what your score was, and the chalk indicator. Yeah. I don't think there's any other like stat that would be particularly interesting to put right here. Just to kind of like even out the amount, the space. In the tutorial scenario, it doesn't matter very much because this is the only one that's going to be showing. It'll be something like this, which is cool. Level complete. I mean, I have like, pretty sure I have some data I could show, like over here in your player save file. For a level, I have the number of times you've completed it, and then I have your best time, best score, and whether or not you got the chalk. Yeah, you can see here when I mark a level complete, I see if there's already an entry. If there is, I grab it. Otherwise, I've created a new one, which would just have default values. I increment the times complete, and then the best score is the maximum of the previous and the current. Best time is the minimum of the previous and the current, and then I save that. I mean, I could show you how many times you've completed it. It's not that interesting. And the first time you complete a level, that's always going to be a 1. I don't know. I don't feel like that's super interesting. Well, I don't know. Let's see how it looks with just empty space for now. We go like that. Now we're going to need another medal. Right? These are the 3 for the main. So we're going to add a medal here. And then I think these things have a target or something, right? They do. So this one's target should be this. Okay. Now the level complete menu. Let's see. Go look at how this works. Okay. Yeah, I've just got like references to these medals somewhere. Here they are. Okay, this kind of could have been coded better, but hey. Challenge medal complete. Placement ref equals null. Now, why is it always new int? Null, please. I almost always want null. Public UI complete 3D medal. Challenge medal complete. Okay. All right. Now where do we do this stuff? So we need to reset the medal right here. Okay. Okay, here we're working out what buttons to show. That's fine. And probably down here, we're going to do the presentation sequence. So that's where we want to go now. Dun, 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 dun. Presentation sequence. Okay. Yeah, do we do the intro or not? And then show challenge results is what we want, which is right here. Okay, we set up the dynamic text. And we go to our sequence here. Okay, so right here. Oh, and is this the place to do this? Let's see, let's actually go right here. Bool is tutorial. That's the level content. Is it in level data? Is that right? Yeah, that doesn't seem right. Where am I setting? There's other places where I determine this. Ah, okay. Here's my secret line of code I should be using, I think. Level data.instance level type equals tutorial. Okay, so then we can say here if is tutorial hide some panels. And then do I already have reference to these panels? Probably not, because I haven't needed to hide them before. Yeah, this is gross. These should be like a little structure or something that I have in a list, but let's just do this. So public game object challenge results time root. Let's do this. We'll make it an array of game objects, challenge results. What do we call this? Additional metal. Additional metal roots. What a great name. Okay. Now what we can do is down here in the is tutorial zone, we can say for each game object obj in that list obj.setActive false. Now this Maybe we should do this. Let's not do this here. Let's do this higher up in on show when we were like setting things up here, right here. So we can go like this, is tutorial. And then not in if. Actually what we want to do is show / hide the panels, because otherwise this menu is going to remember its state. So like if you play a tutorial level and it hides some stuff, and then you come and you play a non-tutorial level, they'll still be hidden. So we don't want to, we want it to be like not is tutorial here. So these extra medals should all be shown in the case the level is not a tutorial. If it is a tutorial, they should be hidden. Okay. So that gets us showing and hiding the right bits. What we can do then is we can pass is tutorial down into presentation sequence right here. Like that, which will pass into here. So the challenge results right here can be like smart. Okay. Which I guess actually most of this is just coming over into here. Really passing this down along. Okay, bool is tutorial. I mean, I could just use that same code to find it out down here, but yeah, do it this way. Okay, so no matter what, we're going to show the level complete medal, which is challenge medal complete dot earned. And previously earned, we can figure that out. So we say let's see, do we already have that information somewhere? Yeah, set score and time. Time, previous time score, previous score got check, previous got. Let's also say int complete count. We're going to want to know that. So we're going to also say right here we have a little private int m player complete count. Okay. So we can set that. Boop, complete count. Okay. Now we can use that down here to say, so if you've this is probably going to be what? Complete count. This is saying, did you previously earn it or not? So if complete count is greater than 1, I think. First time you come in here, it should be a 1, so we want that to be false and show it as a new medal. Future times we want to show it as like this transparent medal, so you see it, but you know you didn't earn a new one. And then we want to yield return new wait 4 seconds real time delay per medal. And then if is tutorial, we're done, right? Can I do that? I don't think I can do that. I think I have to just, there's like yield return break or something like that. I forget how you, we'll do it the other way around. Keep it simple. If it's not a tutorial, show all of this other stuff. Okay. All right. Now we should have a compiler error right now because I changed the method here. Ugh. What is all this? Ugh. Okay. Here. So here where we pass this, and we should already have the data. We do complete count right here. So we can pass that along. Now wait. That's gonna be the previous. That's gonna be the previous value. So when you first complete a level, the complete count is gonna be 0. right? Because when we call this and we get complete count, we're going to get a 0. So I can leave that alone, and I can just say that we know that that's the case here. So down here, where right here is if this is greater than 0. Okay. Now we should have some references we need to hook up. Let's see. Okay, we compiled, so that's a good start. So now level complete, it wants... it's gonna want a reference to... Yeah, you know what, actually. Let me go look at something real quick. Am I even using... these placement things? I'm not. Because I ended up putting that in the metals. So I can get rid of these. Okay. It's like 5% cleaner now. Okay, so wait for that to compile. This little list here is going to get shorter. Okay. So. Oh, we still have one for chalk. Don't need that either. Okay. Alright. So. Wait for it to compile. Okay. So we added a metal. It's this one. This is the one that's the just complete metal. And we need to give over the time, score, and chalk to this guy. Okay. I think that was all the changes. Yeah. Okay. Oh, and while we're at it, we need a string for this. So this is going to be game complete. Game complete title. Game complete screen, and this is the title of the section saying you completed the level. That is a quality string name. Okay, so I'm going to jump over to my localization document, which you're not necessarily seeing on the stream right now, but you know, just imagine a spreadsheet with a bunch of words on it, and then you pretty much are imagining exactly what I'm looking at right now. Okay, so game complete title, and I was just gonna say level complete. Okay, now we can come back here, go to resources, loc data, download. 625 turns to 626. We got a new string. Okay, that should be enough to test it. So now, if I load a regular, let's just try a regular level, right? Okay. Oh, that was close. Okay. This level, you want to get up here quick and then get off because the mats are coming. The mats are coming. Oh my god, that's sad. All right, let's get a little more speed here. Touch the mat. Okay. Okay, so this one, now we're seeing all 4 level complete. Okay, so level complete with like a weird little metal just down below does look kind of dumb. Maybe I just make that metal bigger, right? That's like the main metal. Maybe that's what I do. So it worked though, so that's good. Now let's go, wait, let's play it again. Right? Now we're gonna beat this level for a second time. Oh, come on around, come on around. Okay. No, I don't want to grab the rope again. I want to grab the parallel bars. Oh, look at this. Boom. Oh, is he gonna land it? Is she gonna land it? Yes. Okay, now. Level complete. Oh, still thinks... Still thinks that's a new medal. Why is that? Okay, it always thinks that's a new medal, so that's... we gotta look at that. Okay, now let's test. Actually, maybe because... oh no, that's weird. I was gonna say maybe because I didn't have a actual save loaded, which is possible. Probably is the case actually, so now let's test with an actual... level. Like, let's just try this level. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Try again. One of the next things I need to do today is I need to replace this terrible level 2. Okay, so you completed it. It's like, yeah, first time. Also got the time medal. Okay, let's play it again. Oh my god, that's sad. Okay, here we go. There we go. And, okay, cool. Alright, so it was just that I didn't have a save loaded. Alright, now let's go look at a tutorial level. Right? Like this one. Oh, I need to adjust the text speed. Also need to make a transition for that camera. Okay, and we just have a simple one. So that's correct for the most part. The problem now is just it looks dumb. But overall, this is an improvement. Alright, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make the level complete medal big, right? I might give you the false impression that it's worth more than the other medals, but I think that's better than the alternative. We got 5 medals, huh? 1, 2, 3. Where's the other medals coming from? Have like some random medals somewhere? Oh, probably because I played something in the editor? No. Maybe? I'll have to think about that. Let's go look, actually. This has got me worried. Who is this? What save is this? This is player, right? Player. Okay. Let's go look at it. Where's that save game gonna be? That save game is gonna be in the users folder, app data, local low, Wallaber, Pro Gymnast, save data. Okay, which one is it? Is it this one? Player, okay. Let's see, can I open this in VS Code? It says I've completed drop slide, focus drop, I don't know why that would give me 5 medals. Oh. Maybe I do know why that's giving me 5 metals. Yes, okay, it's still calculating tutorials as though they're capable of producing too many levels, I think. Or too many metals. Let's go look at that real quick. So that would be in... Okay, where do we use this? Okay, that's saving it. Where's the level select? Okay. Okay, here we go. So we don't want to be adding metals if it's a tutorial. Let's simplify this code a little bit. So we could be saying like right here. Is equal to this. And we can use that there. And we can also use it here. If not is tutorial, then we consider these values as potential metal earners. Okay. Right. Oh yeah, I still have a decision to make about this. Right now, anytime there's a location in the game, I just let you play all the levels in it, which is nice, except for like the onboarding experience where you could possibly just click a random level, not the one at the top of the list, and then, you know, the game's carefully crafted sequence of levels at the beginning would be lost on you. But I don't know. I'll have to decide if I care about that or not. I still go back and forth on that. Okay, so that should have fixed it. Yeah, this here is not, this is math trying to work out. Oh, this is probably wrong. Yeah, this is probably wrong. Bool is tutorial equals what am I gonna do here? Level type equals level type dot tutorial. What's wrong with that? Level data dot level type. Okay. And so then we can say if is tutorial there we go. Okay. Okay, that should have fixed up the math, I believe. Yeah, okay, alright. Alright, back to where we were. Well, actually, now let's do this. Let's come back here. And let's see if it's calculating the number of metals correctly. Okay, blah blah blah. Let's get out of here. Let's load up player. What happened there? Oh, did I screw this up somehow? Now it doesn't think I've done anything. Hang on. Yeah, okay, something is funky with that save file. I accidentally like moved the file, I think, somewhere. Wonder where I moved it to. Let's see. I'm not sure. Okay, well, let's do this. Pop out. Come out. Okay. Play. Player. Let's just play a couple levels real quick. There's a tutorial. Yeah, I completed it. Got a medal. Let's go to level select. What does it say about all this now? It says we have 1 medal. That's correct. Let's play this one. My infamous crappy level 2 that I gotta redo later today. Oh, did I go too soon? Nope. Okay, so in this case, we got 2 medals. That looked a little weird. It looked like the text updated after seeing it, which isn't good. I wonder why that would be. Probably won't happen again. I bet that only happens on the first time. Let's do this. If I leave this scene and come into a different one, like this. Okay. Get the chalk. Ugh. Yeah, okay. 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 I wonder, it might be kind of cool if I had like a little dotted line medal that, so like where it says final score, you know, score 1000, there's like a dotted line where a medal would be placed. So you know that there's a possible medal to earn from that. I kind of like that idea. Okay. Alright, so I gotta fix that. We gotta make the medal bigger. Dotted medal outline. Okay. Alright. I will take a very short break and I'll be right back.
Electrical impulse, which are then boosted by this amplifier feeling of life and nearness in the music. Once you've heard high-fidelity reproduction, you'll be hard to satisfy with anything less. And when the listeners are centrally located in front of the two speaker systems,
All right, we're back. So, let's have a look here and see why the screen is popping up, right? And then the text, which we fill in, right? Where is it? Here.
with those points in mind, Jimmy, you can go on to a thorough study of the nature of sound.
That's for me. The nature
Seems delayed. Now, all of a sudden. Why is that? I mean, the only thing that's changed is that up here we're setting them to be active or not. Which we didn't used to do. Maybe this bug has been here all along, where you're seeing this we were seeing that text update.
we all enjoy being together, but is anyone left out? I think so. Well, that's
We have base.show down here. Why do we have it so far down?
Should we write?
This is
Dear Alex,
going to we want to go to base menu and dot show. Right. So we do actually have a weird delay here. I have a vague memory of this sequence here being kind of fixing some dumb bug. So you can see what we do is we show it, we wait a frame, and we call on did show. Oh, that doesn't, because
next business, refreshments. We have to please
I wonder why do I have this down below here? Is there a good reason?
you. Gee, thanks. The show. Well, we want something to eat, something.
I mean, maybe we actually want it. Like down much lower. I don't think that's going to make a difference. It seemed like more than a frame. If it was just one frame, it'd be pretty hard to pick up on. Maybe not. Let's look at this. Maybe we can step through it. So let's open up a level.
Next is entertainment.
This one's pretty quick.
Show Steve a good time, but, well, we don't know too much about what he likes.
Okay.
The best thing I know is
Boom, grab it. Flip. Okay, now let's go like this. And let's walk through this timing here. And we're looking at the UI right here, so we'll be able to see when we transition over. Nope, not yet. May have been better to do with like a breakpoint or something. Oh, come on. What's up with my mouse? Okay. Okay. So look at that. It's turned on and we have not updated the text here. Oh, okay, but it's not my dynamic text. It's the that's weird. It's these guys right here. Oh, that's interesting. This doesn't even have a auto localizer thing on it. Wait, am I just not even localizing those yet? Did I just never notice that? Alright, my mouse is bothering me. I'm gonna swap the batteries. Oh, never mind. I did that recently. I can't see the batteries. Alright, so... Okay, we can't do this because this is happening too late. Okay. Alright, so first of all, do I really have just like totally unlocalized text? So this has a localized text string on it. Or let's show this. Okay. Like this one, not this one, this one doesn't, literally doesn't. Okay. Add that. This one not. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Alright. That's what I get for not making these into prefabs. These really should be a prefab, but I don't know. We're deep in the hole now. Maybe we just leave it alone. Okay, while we're here though, let's look at adjusting this so that this metal can be bigger and centered. So that's going to get the placement. And now the actual metal itself. This one. Does this just have like some scale on it? Let's see. Because I don't think this does anything, right? No, it doesn't. Right here. So let's try wow, double size is really big, isn't it? Try something like that. Okay. So we got a bigger metal here for this one. Okay. This rect transform is weird, but just let it be weird for a moment. Okay. So now why let's play this again now, I guess, right? Turn this off, hit play, and see if we still have some stupidness. Let's load up a quick level. Okay, that should be pretty close to the moment where it transitions to the results screen. And I guess I could throw. I want to watch it frame by frame here without a breakpoint first. Still not transitioning to the screen. Okay. Okay, so here's the very first frame of level complete existing, and we have a we can go look at, like, for example, this. Has this got a value? It does. Yeah, we're starting that metal too soon. What even? That's weird. Okay, that maybe have been because I was stepping through it. Sometimes the coroutines are a little funky when you step through, I think. Okay. Maybe that metal does need to be 2x size though. Let's try this. Let's watch it at full speed. It doesn't look bigger, does it? Why doesn't it look bigger? Isn't it this one? The one I just made bigger? Or... oh, I bet it's being animated. It is. Being animated, and so in order to just like cheese this, I would have to scale it here. Yeah. Okay, double size looks comically big. Maybe more like that. Let's see. I think I can leave that scaled like that, and we can try playing the level again. Okay. Okay. That's pretty cool. So we'll see. Whoa! Flew all the way over it. Beating the power time on this level is kind of hard. You gotta really make a beeline for it. Even that's not fast enough, is it? Okay, but look, see that update was still late. Look, it says 5.259 right now, right? This time it was 5.823. It's not updating until... okay, alright, so this is delayed. So why is that? It's because of the intro? Presentation sequence. Right. We can't do this here. This is way too late. In fact, we must be already doing this somewhere as well. No, okay, these can't be so late in the game now. Let's see, so we're gonna get rid of these from there. Oh man, okay. Okay, hang on. Okay. Right. The other thing we should do is I don't know if I have the ability to skip some of this yet, but alright, one thing at a time. So first of all, a bunch of this code needs to be broken up. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Show arena results is gonna be a method that just sets up the UI. And then we're gonna have go arena sequence, which will do the actual animation. And then similarly here, show challenge results is going to set all that junk up. And then we're going to have go challenge results, which is going to do the animation. Okay, so then what we can do is here, this should be go arena sequence. Oh god, I wasn't very consistent with that, was I? And then this is going to be go challenge results. Okay. And then much earlier, up here. And do we already know stuff like yeah. So right about here. Oh, let's do this. Let's come down to once we know some more junk here. Okay. And then we can be like if show the arena results, otherwise show the challenge results. Okay. Okay. That should be closer. Yeah. Okay. So that should fix the timing. I need to set this metal to be, what did we decide it was? 1.8 in size, okay. Alright, let's test this. I also need to go back and look at my arena levels because they have a totally different kind of like results layout. And I probably have broken it since... Oh, do I not have this tutorial here? Oh. Okay. Oops. I haven't looked at the arena results in quite a while, especially since I switched out to have the whole replay overview happen and stuff, so I'm gonna have to look at that. But I think today, if we can get the challenge side looking good, then we can actually do some level work, because that was something I really wanted to get going on today, and so far have found other things to fix continuously. Okay, so let's try this now. So now we should see the right text right from the beginning. So this level was 6.787. Coming to the screen, 6.787, metal, metal, done. Okay. Now let's play it again. There you go, 4.8 seconds. 4.8, metal, time metal, cool. Okay. Now let's play it again. Let's play it slower. Oh, that's not gonna work. Get the chalk. Big trick. Okay, 69,000 points. So we can see that we've earned those. Okay. Now in this case, in the past, I have earned the time medal, but it's not showing me that here. Ideally, I guess what would happen is you would not do the brrr animation for the medal, but the medal would just be sitting there transparent, like saying, you've achieved me in the past, I guess? Also, didn't I get the chalk? Oh, we just don't care about the chalk medal anymore. Look at that. Why? Why? Should be this one. This one is the score one. Or, I mean, the time one. This is that one. What's the deal with this one? Where is it? Is it animating? Yeah. Okay, and in the animation, the metal is scaled down to 0. So I bet if I change this, I can't because it's overriding it from the animation. Okay, but why no chalk? Why no chalk? That would be right here. Right? Actually, yeah, look, so we are supposed to be showing it if you've ever earned it previously. Right? So like here, the time medal should have set it to the previously earned state. Okay. And what does this do? Alright, set bool previously earned. Is that busted? It might be. Go look at this thing's animator. Previously earned. Right? I don't have a typo, do I? Doesn't look like it. You set that boolean to true. So if we go here, because earned was true, we go here because previously earned is true. Let me go here if they're both false, which happens on reset. Okay. Okay, wait, let's look at these animations. So, let's see, let's go into the prefab. Okay. So the earned animation, right, is setting the scale, and the idle animation sets the scale to 0. But I bet you my earned loop, oh no, it does set the scale. Okay. That's one theory out the window. Idle just sets the metal root scale to 0. Earned, yeah, pops that scale to, like, zooms it up, boom, sets it down. It ends with a scale of 40, which earned loop sets. Now, is there anything else in here? Z position. Is set here but not in others. It's a little strange. Rotation is set. Okay, alright. Let's go look at this. Is it a bug in the animation? Or some change in flow based on my new code? Okay, got the chalk. Boom. Okay, now at this point in time, the chalk one, which is this one. First of all, what state are we in here? We're in the hidden idle state, and neither of these things is set. Now if we go look at the new one, earned is set. This one, earned, is set, but previously earned is not set for these other ones. If I turn it on, yeah, they just sit there. So the problem is previously earned is not getting set. Let's see. Okay, well, let's walk through this. What's the problem? I have to restart. Okay. All right. Load up a level. Let's do this one. Here we go. Okay. Hit the... Oh. Okay. We hit our breakpoint. Ooh, maybe this data is just not getting set properly. Because look at this, M player previous best. Oh, wait a minute. Hang on, I don't think I can test this properly in the editor. Because the editor doesn't have a save game loaded. So if I quit out of here, forgot about that. Some of this stuff I gotta make sure I'm testing through the proper flow. So like, let's go and get a real player with some real progress, right? Let's go to this level. We've got all the medals for this level in the past. And we complete it right now with a score of 0. Okay, cool. That animation indicated to me that I completed the level. And that's kind of dumb. That one probably should just pop as well. And then I did beat the final time this time, but it's a medal I'd already earned. And in the past, I have gotten the final score, but I have not gotten the chalk on this level ever. Let's go confirm. I have not gotten the chalk on this level ever. That's correct. Let's get it. I believe it's here somewhere. There it is. Can I get to the mat? Yeah. Okay. Nice landing. Nah, nah, nah. Okay. And Okay. So can I make like a simplified version of this? Can I rasterize layer style? Oh, that's not quite what I wanted. Can I do that as like... let's see if I can do this real quick and just so we can test it out and see if we like it. Okay. If we have something like this. Yeah, okay. Doesn't look much like a metal. Let's try something. Now, just real quick, if I go like...
Oh, Raven, won't you sing me a happy song? Oh, Raven, won't you sing me a happy song? Scorpion sting, I don't wanna bleed. Tell me that I'm not lost. Oh, Raven, won't you sing me a happy song? And here you are again. Bad news from a bad friend. They call you an old man, only here to torment. Wicked and hellbent, a damn soul pretending, but I don't believe them. Oh, oh, oh. You don't want me to stay alone. That's why you gotta sing your song. You keep tapping.
I know there are better ways to do this.
Nevermore, nevermore, nevermore. But can I ask you something? A favor from you, my friend.
But
The song you keep singing.
sometimes you gotta just do the quick thing you know how to do. Okay, so what if we have something like that? Like if that's sitting there, do you go, oh, I could get a metal? It doesn't really look like a metal to me. We could add this piece in and go something like this. So you get like a hint of it. Maybe even this should be just partial. That? Okay, let's see what this looks like. So if we say this is UI metal placeholder. Okay. Mark this as a sprite. Go back here to here. I probably should trim it. Okay, now maybe the outline could even back off a little bit. Okay, let's take a look at this. Let's try including this. And right here as well. I think this is where if this was a prefab, it would already be done. Now, level complete, you're never going to see that because the level, if you're seeing the screen, you've completed the level. Okay, let's just see how this looks. And let's go like this. Let's exit out. Let's actually do this kind of proper. Okay, here we are. Playing as this player. We're gonna go play some random level, like this one. Oh my gosh, that was pretty good. Okay, we come over here. Doom. Doom. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Now you could definitely understand that there's 4 possible medals, of which I have earned 2. Oh, look at that. There was a reason. There's a reason that these 2 should not have the auto localizer on there. So let's fix that. Okay, that wasn't me being dumb. I mean, that was today me being dumb about something that I wasn't dumb about in the past. This should not have, or not this. Wait, is that the right one? Hang on. Let's look at this. This should not have localized text script on it because it gets localized by the code. This should not have localized text script on it. This should, because it's not dynamic. And it already has it right there. Okay. Okay, save all that. Alright, I like this. This is better. It's looking pretty nice. Alright, I think what we should do now is call that good for now and do a little level editing. Let's see. So the first level is like, hey, press a button, you can drop. And then currently I have this slide level. I forget what I called it. This one, drop slide. That's level 2, and this is way too hard.